So prelims, yes, UPSC prelims paper. First of all, how to attempt the UPSC prelims paper? The broad guidelines I would like to tell you. First of all, attempt the question paper in 3 stages. In 3 stages. Attempt the question paper in 3 stages. Right. Now let me tell you that question paper include around 100 questions. Question paper include around 100 questions. Out of this, only 30 questions. In 30 questions you know very well. These 30 questions you know very well. सिर्फ ये 30 ही क्वेश्चंस होते हैं जिस पे आपको बहुत अच्छा कॉन्फिडेंस होता है. बाकी जो 70 क्वेश्चंस होते हैं they are a bit dicey. Out of these 70 questions, 40 to 50 questions you can judge on the basis of your knowledge. You can judge on the basis of your knowledge which you have got from your past, knowledge which you have applied from reading the current affairs, from reading the present preparation strategies, right? So 40 to 50%. So next 50, 60, 70, 80. So rest of the 30 to 20 are guesswork questions. These are guesswork questions, right? So that is why I told you that you have to attempt your question paper in 3 parts. You have to attempt the question paper in 3 parts. So in first part you will do these 30 questions. In first part you will do these 30 questions which you know 100% correct, because once you get them corrected, you have a psychological feeling of confidence in you, because you know you get the same question incorrect in examination hall but the same question correct at your home, because at home you are very much confident, you are very much relaxed. So I want that kind of relaxation for you at the examination hall. So once you have given these 30 questions correct, your mind is very much relaxed. Now you can move for the next target. Now you need to go for second stage with these 40 to 50 questions, right? In first stage just do the 30 questions for which you are very much confident, then leave the other questions. In the second go, just go for these 40 to 60 questions. In the last you go for these questions, 30 to 20 questions, right? In this way you will have a greater opportunity, greater success rate, right? You will have a greater success rate. One more golden principle which I would like to tell you is that UPSC or state PCS questions have 4 choices, A, B, C, D. What is a common mentality of a person? He just reads this question and whatever the first option comes, first to second option, he get it right. He don't go to the next questions. There is high possibility that the question right answer might be there. So this is the trap. This is a trap being used by the UPSC examiners, that they put a slightly good option in the first or 2 choice so that you don't go to the bottom questions and just get the incorrect question right. So my golden tip is go from the bottom upwards. Start from option D. Option D correct, not. Option B correct, not. Option C correct or not. Option A correct or not. Right? What did I say? Option D correct or not? Option C correct or not? Option B correct or not? Option A correct or not? So go from bottom upward. So this should be your strategy while attempting the prelims questions, right? If you go with this strategy, I can assure you, you can definitely go for 130 plus minus 10. If you apply this strategy, you can definitely score this many marks in your prelims, right?